used against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah, we had a long discussion with him this morning.
I don't know anything about it. Let's find.
This was a classic Miranda rights moment. If you ever end up in a situation like this, the smartest thing you can do is stay quiet. A lot of people accidentally
Out what's going on, please.
On April 11th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to an unknown accident, and noticed a vehicle, a pickup truck, illegally parked in the front yard of the residence. There were fresh tires, skid marks, a broken wheel, and axle visibly appeared to be damaged.
talked themselves right into a guilty verdict. Now let's pause for a second. This wasn't just a bad parking job. Pickup truck slammed into a parked Jeep so hard it broke the axle. That's not just reckless driving. It's a serious crash that could have
Ram truck to a legally parked red Jeep Compass. The law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant, and then, sorry guys, it said the damage to the Jeep was by $5,000. The defendant admitted to driving the truck. It was later identified. The officer also made contact with the wheel witness, who stated that he witnessed the defendant in the white truck in the driver's seat behind the wheel and observed an exit vehicle from the driver's side door.
ended much worse. The driver even admitted he tried to run after the crash. That's a major problem for his defense. Not only does it make him look guilty, but it also completely ruins any claim that he wasn't behind the wheel.
Upon exiting the vehicle, the witness observed he was not stumbling. And then the witness observed slurred speech and strong odor of alcohol beverage emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant also admitted that he was trying to clear the scene and go home, but his vehicle was stolen. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was detained, and noticed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. And the officer then conducted a standardized field sobriety test, where he witnessed. Sorry, Your Honor, the DIMS leaves off and does not show the standardized field sobriety test results. The officer asked the defendant his intoxication level. The defendant said he was at a 6 out of 10. The defendant said he does not believe it was safe to operate his motor vehicle at this level of intoxication. But had an 11-year-old passenger.
He did not.
Or, I'm sorry, he did not. He did not. I apologize. Just a moment to see if I can.
What would you do if you walked outside and found your car destroyed in your own front yard? The judge in this case didn't just raise an eyebrow. He tore apart the prosecution's report like it was a one-star restaurant review.
Judge, I'm going to tell you that's kind of where the DWI investigation stops. The first response that I have is that no field sobriety tests were performed. It also, the credibility of the wheel witness was never discussed in the DIMS, whether the officer found them credible or reliable, etc. So I really can't make a lot of sense out of.
It's like the DIMS you're reading me is like going through a drive-through, man. I mean, really, who's writing the reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Over and over and over. I mean, really.
Trying to see if I can find anything else.
Case after case, we're just.
So Judge, things don't say or.
And let's be honest, if the evidence isn't solid, the court has to take that seriously. This is the moment things really turned. You could hear the judge almost pleading with the defendant.
Is the results of those variable field sobriety tests, and we do not have an officer.
How on earth am I supposed to find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports?
I don't say. I don't know why it's not in the DIMS. Obviously, we didn't write it in here. We represent what is written in there, and so I understand your frustration. I'm highly frustrated.
Mr. Kubler, I'm gonna find no probable cause in your case. Don't kill anyone. You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out. Now, this is not to say that they may not indict this case at a later time, but be whatever, just don't kill someone, please.